Okay guys, we've got a Veto Propac MC, which is mine, and then I have a Klein backpack, which I discussed earlier, which is my backup tool bag. And then we have my future son-in-law's tool bag. He's also in the industry. He's got the Tech Pack MC. So we're going to weigh those out. Okay, so we're going to weigh out the Veto Propac MC. This is one I personally carry. It's not cleaning anymore, but we're going to weigh that out. Okay, what do we got there? Looks like just a shy hair over 20. Okay, the next one we're going to weigh out is the future son-in-law's Tech Pack MC. He thinks he's better than his future father-in-law. Okay, his weighs out at almost 40 pounds. Okay, this is my backup tool bag, the Klein backpack. And we're just over 35 pounds. Now, let's see what's in them. Okay, this is my troubleshooting bag. You might have seen it on another video where I inventoried the tools. That's one side of the diagnostic bag. Now we're going to turn around and get the other. Okay, this is the other side. It's got the Milwaukee Impact, 2 meters, and a set of refrigeration gauges along with a few other small things. I use that for diagnosing, but let's see what the future son-in-law has in his bag. He thinks he's better than the old man. Okay, here we go. We're going to unload that 40-pound tool bag and see what he's carrying, see what he's all about. So, go ahead.
All right. So, basically, got a small white mouth crescent. Got extra large refrigeration wrench. Got the compressors. Klein does temps. Non-contact voltmeter. A little thing from the internet. Doesn't matter. Alright, here's all the good stuff. This thing is full of crap. Alright.
Holy cow, are you doing residential?
No, not this thing. This is commercial refrigeration and a lot of rooftop stuff and things like that.
So are you working on like little walk-in coolers at restaurants?
No, compressors, racks, supermarket refrigeration, a lot of big stuff.
All the big stuff. So would you recommend any of the stuff that you carry for a guy working in the refrigeration field?
100%. Why not?
Okay, well, let's keep going, Mike. They don't want to hear about what you do. They want to see what you carry.
Alright, good. So, these are just little wrenches. Ratcheting stubby. Everyone has one of those somewhere. Got multiple cutters. Needle nose, right angle. Kind of fancy.
Well, those are a little different than what I'm carrying.
A little bit. There's more. And you got these guys, Orbis.
What do you use those for?
Oh, these are just pliers.
Oh, just pliers.
Just pliers. You know, nothing fancy.
And we don't want anybody to think we're making any conspicuous product placements.
We all drink Coca-Cola here in this part of town. What else we got in here? Let's see. These I actually like a lot.
What are those, Mike?
Crimp strip from Klein, the newer style. Better handle on them.
Did you have the old kind before?
Yeah, got rid of those. I just get new tools all the time. So, let's make the money buy these things. So here's another one, just like a little guy. Same one, bigger size.
Can you use that specific wrench for like power heads on TXVs?
No, that's this guy. This one you can. We'll grind it off, kind of thing.
Is that a special one?
Yeah, special one. They call it a plumber's, wrench.
Okay.
So we got that. That's in there. Got a pair of chain locks, DeWalt. They lock. They're almost like the Knipex ones, but not $60. What else we got in here? Oh, you always need these fuse pullers.
I know where you got those.
Not that. You don't know where it is. Get this out of here. I mean, this is looking like 40 pounds all day. And you got your old trusty Flip T600.
It's what? Can you show that to the camera real quick?
Flip T600. This is a small one that your speed one.
Is there any special features on that thing that you like?
No, this is as basic as it gets, but it's very pocket friendly, small. There's a better one on the other side of this bag.
Okay.
So we'll put it in there.
Yeah, just pull it out, Mike. They want to see what you got.
All right. Well, these are pretty cool.
What is that?
These are strippers, automatic. We do a lot of cases and stuff, and just easy just to change mode.
Would that be like for the temp sensors in some of the cases?
Yeah, it works on hardwire and all that, so you don't have to sit there and. It's just easier. Got a lot of crap to do. Cuts there too. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Oh, old mirror. Everyone's got one of those. What else you got in here? All right. These. This is old Phillips number 2. You got your 1/4 and 5/16.
What's the green stuff on there?
Super 88, you know, insulation. And then you also have Apion core removal tool. Comes in handy a lot. Moving cores so you can charge the rack a little faster. Wire nuts. Everyone's got that junk on there. And nylon. Product placement. These are garbage. I broke mine. So I just got these little junk Allen wrenches. What else? Oh, these are new. This is Klein's new insulated, whatever you want to call it. But they work pretty nice.
Can you give us a little closer on that, Mike? Maybe no one's seen that yet. Can you explain what's going on there?
Oh, this is their insulated screwdriver set. I used to carry a bunch of individuals. These.
Now, do those lock? Are you worried when you're using that if it's going to come out, or?
No. Yank that out when you want. You know.
Well, I mean, maybe our viewers aren't as strong. Maybe they're stronger than you, Mike.
Yeah, they could be, but I don't think you're gonna break this. It's been tested, 1000 volt rated. You shouldn't be cranking on stuff anyways because they all have torque set ratings and whatnot. You know. So there's these.
Yeah, we'll just leave it out. We'll put it all back.
Go. Now you can get a good view of the stuff.
Well, you still got some more stuff in there,
There's
Mike.
a whole bag. You also have. This is pretty. I don't see a lot of guys carrying these around here.
What is that?
This is a wire stripper for large gauge wires. So you got like 3/0 or something like compressors. Which we have some wire here. I'll show you. So it just goes in there, just a little blade in there, and it just spins around, strips it. So you're not sitting there with a knife, beating yourself up.
So that'd be like a big compressor.
Big compressor. They used like 2-way. You get the middle fat wires, old stuff. This works really nice. Really nice. I would get one of these. Everybody.
That's really only if you're working on big stuff.
Yeah. And you just got stuff. Oh, actually, because you got a lot of mini split guys out there. You know that little 4-wire you got? This is better for stripping that real fast. Easier on the hands. It's nice.
Nice, yeah, good idea.
Oh yeah. Super nice. And we got these Huskies, which I will always buy these because they're the best. They give you 2 sizes on each side, all different. Nice.
What's the one with the thing on the end of it there?
Well, that's just an adapter.
Oh, is that the adapter?
You
Okay.
just put your, whatever you got. I don't got anything to put in there. I wouldn't.
What else you got hiding in that side, Mike?
These are stuck. I use this little guy from TXB, cleaning the screens and whatnot. It fits in there pretty easy.
And then that's specifically sized for what brand of TXV?
Any brand. Pretty much anything in a case. Usually get them Sporlins and all that. Get the screen on them.
Okay, cool. Thanks. I appreciate you sharing that, Mike. I didn't know. I don't do it every day like you do.
It's just in the cases. No big deal. Fits in there. Knock the bottles down. And still
What is that?
temperature thing.
Oh,
Supply
temperature.
house, little junker. Not bad. What else? Let's see.
There's a couple tools in there I like to see. What's that thing?
Missing the tip. It's a little pen guy. Works pretty good.
Oh, let's see what those are, Mike.
These just for tightening the rings around your connections, so you don't have to sit there and
What kind of connections?
lock rings.
Oh, on your electrical.
Yeah. Sometimes you don't want to get just too tight, and you don't want to sit there and beat your hand over the screwdriver. This works really nice. Takes care of that. And
Well, I'd say you got quite
that's
a
it
bit.
for this side.
Okay. Well, let's take a break here and then we'll flip it around.
All right.
Okay, Mike, let's take a look and see what's on the outside of these things that you got.
This little 12 volt D-wall drill, the newer one. Not too bad. It's nice and light. Brush, clean coils, little tape, wire brush from the other crap, regular refrigeration wrench, miscellaneous.
What's that on the top?
Oh, it's a clam light.
How you like it?
Pretty nice. Pretty bright.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, not bad. Good for crawling above coolers and whatnot. Got big ass reclining wrench. He's always need a big one.
What do you need that for?
Everything.
Hey, ain't that one of those special ones?
Yeah.
What? Can you show us a little bit in detail what that does, Mike?
Yeah,
Could you just put
use the gas pipe and whatnot.
gas pipe?
Any pipe. You put it in there. Grips. It's good to have just in case emergency situations. You don't want to go back down to the van. These guys. You got not the bag you're looking for. Don't touch it. Not yours. Alright, and here's the back side.
Okay. Looks like it's got a hook on it.
Does not have a hook on this bag. Does not come with a hook. The bigger ones do.
No, I thought that hook right there, you could hang it on something.
No, this is just locks it on, keeps it higher on your back kind of thing.
Oh, okay.
Their gimmick is with that. And you got all this crap back here.
Holy cow. It's like having a shed in the back of your tool bag.
Yeah, no, this is a little rougher back here.
That's like the closet, huh?
Yeah. So what you got, this is Megger. You always need one of these. Checking compressors and, your heaters. All that works pretty good. Fluke 1587 FC. Pretty nice, but expensive.
Is that an expensive one?
Yeah, that's not cheap at all.
What do you think that cost, Mike?
800. About $800.
Wow.
And this clamp that goes with it. Ooh, what else we got? There's all kinds of goodies on this side. Got your big beater. Always need this thing. Put that there. These gloves are in here. Check my little smart probes.
Smart probes?
Smart probes. Yeah, I use these a lot. It's sometimes you really don't want to bring your gauges when you're going in.
Can you show the camera what those, do you know what model those are, Mike?
115i, this Gen 2 long range Bluetooth ones.
Now, is that the latest and greatest? Or is there something new that came out, do you know?
I don't know if there's anything new that came out. These are pretty recent. Not bad. They work very well. It's good. You can just, this actually works nice because you can leave it in the case. Like ice machines and whatnot. And you gotta open and close anything. You just kind of look at your phone, hang out.
Does it make your job quicker?
It makes it quicker, a lot easier. You don't gotta chase it down.
Now, if you were a newer tech and you were doing, let's say, supermarket refrigeration, would you say that's a must-have?
It's debatable.
Or do you think maybe they should start off on the basic analog?
Yeah, analogs, and then when you get enough money, which you will, because job pays very well, get these, because then you can just look at your phone. Sporlan makes another set. They're supposedly waterproof. I've seen a guy that I work with has. These are the press leads that go with that. This is just full of wire ties, wire nuts, miscellaneous. You got this big this screwdriver from Klein. Takes off everything up to 9/16. So there you go. Not really a must, but good to have. These glow in the dark. They just took these handles off the old set I had and put them on a new set. Pretty nice. Good idea. They actually glow. Can't tell. My flashlight. This guy, what is this? Nebo? Yeah, it's fairly new. It's got a laser pointer. You don't really need it. Pretty bright. Yeah, it's nice. Fun. Alright, and you just got all your basic nut drivers and everything up here. Screwdrivers, more nut drivers, and little stat screwdriver. Or flat. You guys want to call it. These are all the connections that go with those smart probes.
Let's shake those out. Can you open it up?
Shake them out. Hey. Yeah, you got all your sizes, and I use this for the liquid side. little depressor. That way I'm not making messes. Works out pretty nice. Little collection of whatnot. What else is in here? Yeah, this thing. Another flashlight. Another core remover. I think I thought I lost this. It's got gunk and hair and oil on it. Good. Solenoid magnet. Everyone has one of these.
Not in their tool bag.
Yeah, you just keep it in there. Fits in the pocket. That's it. Oh, markers. Yeah, always need these guys. Writing belt sizes and stuff outside of units.
Hey, I see something hiding over there in that black case, right underneath there.
This thing? Oh. Lock out that?
Oh, it's a lock.
Yeah. You should have one of these. What else I got? Oh, there's something in there. Oh, offset. Refrigeration wrench.
Thought you lost that too, huh?
I lost that one, didn't make the cut. Man, I think that is it. There's nothing else down here.
Hey Mike, I see a lot of like specialty tools in there that maybe like a beginner refrigeration guy may not have to start. Can you tell us a little bit about your background and why you chose the tools? I mean,
well, this my dad, my brother, my uncle, everybody does pretty much refrigeration and commercial HVAC in my family, and this is all trial and error. I've bought all kinds of other tools, and this is what works for me. Not everybody needs it. Everybody has to want it, but it's what I use. Gets me through a pinch, and I always have other guys asking if they can use my stuff. So it's got to be decent, worth keeping in the bag. All these. So.
Now, a lot of guys might not know this, but what percentage of your work is refrigeration?
Every day.
Well, I mean,
case warm. That's it. I'm an in-house refrigeration tech, so I'm 24/7. I think our company has about 180 grocery stores, and so it's every day. It's just what you do. You get sent out.
You ever have to run emergency service?
Yeah, on a volunteer. And, most of the time I don't have to. The other guys do it. I don't have to be on call yet, so that's good. No big deal. Easy days.
Do you do a lot of compressor changeouts?
During the summer, yes, lots of compressor changes.
What would you consider a lot?
Probably 3 or 4 a week. Like some 25 horse ones. Copeland, Carlisle, the whole 9.
What's your favorite compressor to change?
Copeland 3D, little one, all day. Coffee breaks.
Now, you say you work for like a supermarket chain. Are you seeing any of that CO2?
No, not yet.
Glycol?
Glycol, yes, we have a couple stores with glycol. Yeah, that's old.
Old stuff.
Old stuff.
Well, hey, I appreciate you opening up your bag to me, Mike. We're going to take a look at Grandpa's old backpack. Okay, hey, Mike, can you show us what that special tag's all about?
So, my fiance got me this when we first started dating. This is not the bag you're looking for. I'm a Star Wars fan. No, it's a cute little thing.
Nice. Okay, well, let's turn it around. I'm going to ask the voters if they could put in the comments which bag they think is better. So let's go ahead and turn your bag around so they can see him one more time. Okay, so we got Grandpa's bag on the left, and then we got the future son-in-laws on the right. So,
and we have honorable mention. Pocket tools, Klein 8-in-1. Something I got, I think it's from Taiwan. Pretty cool. Crimpet strip cuts. There you go. Now go ahead.
Oh, see, that's the qualities you're looking for in a future son-in-law. Someone that's always trying to one-up you. So I think I really hit the jackpot, or maybe he did because he knows everything I've got. So do me a favor, if you think the Tech Pack MC is better than Grandpa's Propac MC, let us know in the comments, like and subscribe. Unfortunately, we ran out of time today, so we can't go into Grandpa's backup Klein. Hell, we don't even want to talk about it. It's loaded with tools, but that thing's so heavy and cumbersome that I'm never going to use that out in the field, but I just have it on the truck just in case.